In this video, we will introduce the prep for D-PE-OE-01 Dell PowerEdge Operate V2 exam. Introduction to Dell PowerEdge Operate V2 certification. Who should pursue this certification? Dell PowerEdge Operate V2 exam details. Understanding the weightage of key domains in D-PE-OE-01 exam. Effective preparation strategies. 1. A Dell EMC PowerEdge server has been updated with an LCC and IDRAC DUP to the latest firmware when performing a firmware rollback. A. The LCC can be rolled back. The IDRAC cannot be rolled back. B. The IDRAC cannot be rolled back and the LCC cannot be rolled back. C. The IDRAC can be rolled back, the LCC cannot be rolled back. D. Both the IDRAC and the LCC can be rolled back. 2. What are two ways to check on the health status of a server? Select 2. A. IDRAC dashboard. B. System BIOS. C. Front panel LEDs. D. IDRAC settings overview. E. Job queue. 3. When does a customer require the service tag of the Dell EMC PowerEdge server? A. First time logging into IDRAC. B. First time accessing the BIOS. C. Activating the OS. D. Obtaining warranty information. 4. A technician needs to configure the lifecycle controller network settings with a static IP address. A limited number of static IP addresses are available for use. Which previously assigned IP address can also be used for the lifecycle controller? A. The host operating system's IP address. B. The IDRAC IP address. C. The IP address of a different server on the network. D. The default gateway IP address. 5. A technician suspects that a firmware revision is corrupt. A newer revision is not available and the customer does not want to downgrade to a lower revision. What should be done when troubleshooting for possible corrupt firmware? A. Upload the same firmware revision level. B. Reset the IDRAC. C. Use the lifecycle controller parts replacement feature to bring the components up to the latest firmware revision levels. D. Disable and re-enable the component, then reboot the server. 6. An administrator is troubleshooting a no power issue on his PowerEdge server. They have confirmed the cable is known good, and the LED on the PSU is green. What is the next step in troubleshooting this issue? A. Disable the PSU hot spare. B. Ensure the power supply is RAF. C. Reseat the power supply. D. Replace the power supply. 7. Which server security feature verifies the cryptographic signatures of the UEFI driver in Dell EMC PowerEdge 14G and 15G servers? A. Secure boot. B. IDRAC credential vault. C. Enterprise key management. D. TPM. 8. A technician is ready to deploy a Dell EMC PowerEdge server. If a critical part on the system board fails, they must be able to replace the system board, reconfigure components, and update the firmware revisions in the shortest possible time. How should the technician meet this requirement? A. Use the IDRAC rollback feature to restore the firmware revisions. B. Back up component configurations using ISM. C. Back up the profile using the System Profile Settings feature. D. Use the IDRAC GUI to back up the server profile. 9. The system administrator wants to ensure that the ability to change passwords is disabled in the BIOS. Which method can be used to achieve this? A. Set a system board jumper. B. Press the System ID button. C. Ensure that no other users can log in to the IDRAC. D. Disable the password setting in the System Setup utility. 10. How can a system administrator compare the currently installed hardware to the original system configuration? A. Pull a Support Assist Collection Comparison Report. B. Restore the original system profile. C. View factory shipped inventory. D. Export a tech support report. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe PowerEdge for more IT exam prep.